Talent wins game, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. Good morning, my dear online students. This is Mr. Naresh Janid. In previous online chemistry class, we have discussed about pyrroline and nylon 6. I repeat, pyrroline, ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid are the monomers and caprolactam is the monomer of nylon 6. Pyrroline is a polyester whereas nylon 6 is a polyamide. Firstly, give a comment on full name of PET. In today online class, we are going to discuss about nylon 66, bakelite and Teflon. So, first of all, we discuss about nylon 6. As similar to nylon 6, it is a polyamide. We have already discussed that hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid are the monomers of nylon 66. Now next, method of polymerization. It is a condensation polymer that have hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid monomers. After condensation polymerization process, the monomers of nylon 66 are converted into nylon 66. The chemical formula of nylon 66 is it is amide bond. It is the chemical formula of nylon 66. In nylon 66, 6 carbon atoms are present in each monomer, so its name is nylon 66. Next point is properties of nylon 66. This is the polymer having high tensile strength and abrasion resistance. They are used both in fibers and plastic. Now next, usage of nylon 66. It is used for making tire, cords, bushes, hairs, parachutes, etc. Next commercial polymer is bakelite. Very important for your examination. It is a thermosetting resin, phenol and formaldehyde. Very important. Phenol and formaldehyde are the monomers of bakelite. Next, method of polymerization. The condensation reaction of monomers is possible in two ways. When the reaction of phenol and formaldehyde is carried out in the presence of acid or base, so I repeat, when the reaction of phenol and formaldehyde is carried out in the presence of acid or base, Ortho and para hydroxybenzyl alcohols are formed. So it is ortho hydroxybenzyl alcohol and it is para hydroxybenzyl alcohol. These are intermediate. Ortho hydroxybenzyl alcohol condenses to form linear polymer having ring joined to each other through CH2 groups. It is called Novolac. So, an unit of orthohydroxybenzyl alcohol condenses to form a linear polymer which is called Novolac. Here, n molecules of water is removed between ortho-hydroxybenzyl alcohols unit in same condition after condensation mean n molecules of water eliminated here. A linear polymer is formed. In Novolac, ring joined to each other through CH2 group. It is called Novolac, a linear polymer. During the reaction, the formation of Novolac, the ratio of phenol and formaldehyde is less than 1. Is less than 1. Very important. In second phase, orthohydroxybenzyl alcohol and para-hydroxybenzyl alcohol get condensed by cross conjugation to form an infusible solid mass called bakelite, which is thermosetting resin. So, an unit of orthohydroxybenzyl alcohol and an unit of para-hydroxybenzyl alcohol. After polymerization, an molecule of water are eliminated here. A cross-linked three-dimensional network structure is formed, which is called bakelite. It is bakelite cross-linked polymer. Next point, very important. The ratio of phenol and formaldehyde is taken more than 1, then resol is obtained. Then resol is obtained. Very important. Next point is properties of Bakelite. First is bakelite is a thermosetting resin. Second is it is hard and water resistant. Third is it is stable at high temperature. Very important. Next, usage of bakelite. First is it is also used in kitchen utensils, toys, etc. It is used in kitchen utensils, toys, etc. And another use of bakelite used for making switches, very important, handles, cases of radio, TV, computer, phonograph, records, etc. Very important. So the structure of Novolok and structure of bakelite so important for your board examination. Now we take a question for exercise. What are cross-linked polymer? Give an example of this type. Solution is the polymer in which the linear chains are cross-linked to form three-dimensional network structure are called cross-linked polymer. The common example of this type of polymer is bakelite. Is bakelite. Now next question for exercise, very important. To prepare Dacron, we used a monomer in addition to ethylene glycol. Give its functional group and IUPAC name, very important. Solution is terephthalic acid is the second monomer and its IUPAC suffix is oic acid. Very important question. Now next, commercial polymer and last in your syllabus is at Teflon, in short form PTFE, polytetrafluoroethene. Teflon or PTFE, polytetrafluoroethene. First of all, we read its monomer. Monomer of Teflon is tetrafluoroethylene or ethene. Tetrafluoroethylene. Method of polymerization. After addition polymerization of tetrafluoroethene, Teflon is formed. So, an unit of tetrafluoroethene is used for preparation of Teflon. So, after addition polymerization, Teflon is formed. It is the chemical formula for Teflon. Now next, properties of Teflon. First is it is linear polymer and highly crystalline polymer. Another one is very important. It is insoluble in strong acid like nitric acid HNO3 and thermally stable at very high temperature. Thermally stable at high temperature. And third and last properties of Teflon is it does not react with corrosive alkali and organic solvent. Next, usage of Teflon used in making insulators. Second is in making non-sticky cookware and as a lubricant. Very important. So I repeat, in making non-sticky cookware and as a lubricant. Now a test paper. There are 15 questions in the paper. Every question has 1 mark. Solve all questions with honesty and do comment of your obtained marks. Question first is First question is, which of the following is a natural polymer? Four options. On the basis of question second, on the basis of mode of formation of polymers can be classified here. Also four options: as addition polymers only, as condensation polymers only, both, and D option is as copolymers. Third question is, which of the following is an addition polymers? Glucose, PE, pterylene, ethylene. Now next, fourth question is, which of the following polymers in an example of fiber? Dacron, silk, nylon 66, all of these. Now next, fifth question is one for polymer. Polyisoprene is four options. Question 6, nylon is not A. Polyamide, copolymer, condensation polymer, and homopolymer. Question 7 is, which of the following is synthetic rubber? Buna-ash, neoprene, both, nota. 8 is natural rubber is a polyester, polyamide, cis polyisoprene, trans iso polyisoprene. Question 9, a structure of polymer is a thermostatic polymer, homopolymer, copolymer, addition polymer. 10 is, question 10 is Et3Al, triethyl aluminum plus TiCl4, used in plastic industry in a vulcanizer, plasticizer, Ziegler-Natta catalyst, nota. Question 11 is, neoprene is a synthetic, contains which of the following element beside carbon and hydrogen? Nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine. 12 is, which of the following is not true about polymers? And question 13 is, Buna-ash is a polymer of. 14 is, Teflon is obtained of the polymers of, polymerization of, and last is monomers of bakelite is. I hope you like this video. Please do share and like. We shall meet again tomorrow 9 at 9:30 a.m. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.